Dear friends, you can remove any object from your AutoCAD drawing by erase command. If you type E and then enter, and you can now it's saying select objects. I want to erase this and this. Now press enter. It will be erased. Again, if you want to go back to your previous command, just hit on your space bar. The erase command is on. Now select object. This one I want to erase, this one I want to erase, and this one I want to erase. So hit enter again, it will be erased. That's how we can erase the objects from our drawing by erase command, which is E. E stands for erase. Or you can click here this one for this command, and both procedure will work for the same thing. Thank you guys, thanks for watching.